Good morning, very good morning, first class children. Sweet morning to you all. So I hope everyone is ready for the class. Okay. So yesterday I had sent some messages for you all. Have you completed your done? Have you done the homework? Okay, fine. So today I am going to write on the board, but you are not going to write anything in the classwork. Just listen my class, and we will do the today oral drilling practice. Then you copy down the notes from your messages. Okay. So please listen to my class very carefully and be along with my oral drilling class. Okay. Just say along with me. When I'm writing on the board, I too will be going to say that I'm going to repeat that questions, and you too by sitting at home, you too do the practice same as like me. Okay, children. So what I mean to say now, let me start with the fill in the blanks. Okay, what is the name of the lesson? Yeah, I had written on the board, and name of the lesson is Our Senses. The lesson number is 7. Okay. So let me start with the fill in the blanks. You don't write anything now. Anyhow, I am going to send it in the message. You can copy down from the message. Without any mistake, you can write down in the classwork. Okay. So నేను అర్థమైతే నేను చెప్పడము నేను మీకు అందరికి మెసేజ్లో పంపిస్తున్నాను ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ అన్ని ఏమేమి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ పంపిస్తున్నాను రాస్తున్నాను బోర్డులో ఇవన్నీ మీకు మెసేజ్లో అందుకుంటవచ్చు ఓకే సో యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ టేక్ డౌన్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ మెసేజ్ నౌ యూ షుడ్ బి రెడీ విత్ యువర్ oral drilling practice. Okay, I hope this class will be very clear for you all, and you are going to show me the good performance. Okay, children. So let me start the class. Fill in the blanks. Let me start the lesson number 7. Our senses. Fill in the blanks. Okay, write very neatly. I'm going to write on the board. I had started the work. Fill in the blanks. What is this? Fill in the blanks. Okay, so first one, we have dash sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? Is it 5 or 7 or 10? Come on, I think some children are giving a very good answer. We have 5 sense organs. Okay, spell the word of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Sense organs. Okay, 5 sense organs. Is it clear? First one. So what is the first one? We have 5 sense organs. Okay. Number 2. Second one, the nose helps us to. The nose helps us to what? Feel? No. Then what is the answer? The nose helps us to what? Taste? No, teacher. Then what is the answer? To smell. The nose helps us to smell. Right. Okay. Now third one. We hear. Okay. What is the sound? Hear means, the meaning of hear is, ear is different, hear is different. Okay. So we hear with our what? Which body part? That is which sense organ? Ear. E-A-R. Ear. Don't get confused. Okay. So we hear with our ear. What you can hear? You can hear hard sound, soft sound, shrill sound. Isn't it? All different types of sound you can hear with the help of only ears. Okay. Next one. That's fourth one. We see with our what? How can you see? Oh, the complete world. Okay, you can see your surroundings with the help of what? We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Okay. So come on, next one. The skin helps us to feel. The skin helps us to feel. What is the meaning of feel? Yes. If you touch any hot tea or hot milk, okay, how do you feel? You feel hot, isn't it? If I give ice cream in your hands, how do you feel? You feel so cool, isn't it? The skin helps us to feel. Okay. Come on, spell the word of feel. F-E-E-L, feel. The dash helps us to taste different things. Which will taste? Which will help us? The tongue helps us to. The tongue helps us to taste what? To taste things. What other things are there? Do you know that? What are the things? They are saying taste things. What are the things? Things will mention for what? Things are nothing but that is sweet, sour, bitter and spicy and salty. Okay. Sweet, sour, bitter, spicy and salty. Spicy can be added in the salty. Okay. So the tongue can be help us to what? To taste different things. Okay. So like if I give chocolate, how do you feel? How it will, what is the taste of the chocolate? Sweet or bitter? Sweet, isn't it? Then what about the bitter gourd? If I give bitter gourd, then what is the taste of the bitter gourd? It is bitter, isn't it? Okay, then what about the next thing? If I go for lemon, if I give the lemon in your hands, so what is the taste of the lemon? It is sour. Okay, so again I am telling in Telugu, sweet, sweetness, bitter ఏమంటారు? చేదుగా ఉండడం. ఓకే, ద నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్ సోర్, పుల్లగా ఉండడం చెప్తారు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ స్పైసీ అండ్ సాల్టీ. So that this spicy and salty can be mentioned in what? Either if you say spicy, that will be added as a salty. If you say salty, that can be added as a spicy. Okay, so 5 different things are there. What are they? Once again I will tell you. So what are the 4 different zones in our tongue? Yes, one is sweet, sour, bitter, spicy and salty. Okay, so go for all those 4 things. Once again I will revise. We have dash sense organs, 5 sense organs. The nose help us to smell. What type of smell? Pleasant and unpleasant. Okay, we hear with our ears. We see with our eyes. The skin help us to feel. The tongue help us to taste things. Is it clear, children? So go for this type of oral drilling practice and copy down my notes in your class upload which I had sent in the message. Okay, children. Now let me start the next bit. What is the next one? Okay, that is different. I'll ask you in the oral way. I don't want to write on the board. I'll ask you. Yes, when you smell your favorite food, so which sense organ is used? Which sense organs? Once again I will read the question. When you smell your favorite food, which organ here is useful? Nose or tongue? It is nose, isn't it? Yes, if it is so tasty, first you will smell the food, isn't it? Is it tasty or not? You will by the help of whichever the favorite food is there, if you like it, how do you like that food? With the help of what? Smell. You will find out that tasty food with the help of smell, isn't it? Okay, next. When you eat ice cream, so which organ is help here? Tongue. Okay. When you touch a hot cup or milk, then you feel, so which organ here? Skin. Okay, next one. When you see toys, here the sense organ is eyes. When your friend calls you, if I am calling you, yes, which organ is helpful? Is it nose or mouth or ear or eyes? Ear. ఇప్పుడు మీకు వినిపిస్తే మీరు అందరు నాకు వింటున్నారు, అవును కదా? మీకు అందరు క్లాస్ వినిపిస్తుంది. ఎలా వినిపిస్తుంది? You are all listening with what? With the help of what? Ears, isn't it? So if I call your friend, when your friend calls you, you are using which body part? Which organ? Ear. Okay, come on, say. When you smell your favorite food, answer is nose. When you eat ice cream, tongue. Okay, when you touch a hot cup of milk, skin. When you see toys, eyes. When your friend calls you, ears. Is it clear, children? So this I had sent it in the message. Please do the practice and write down in your class of notebook, first class children. Okay, is it clear for you all? So today I gave only how many fill in the blanks? 6 blanks. Okay, first copy down the 6 blanks, and that I had asked some general question. You copy down with the picture. You do with the picture. I had sent the picture also. Write the answer along with the picture. Okay, so is it this class is very clear, first class children, for you? I hope this class is very clear, isn't it? So do the best performance and write very neatly in your class upload. Thank you, children.